Hi everyone, I'm Elf MD. I checked in with our special helper, and he agreed to an important upgrade. Posable arms. For an MD, it's okay to touch the elf, the magic stays right in place. Time for the procedure. Grab your soft red felt, a 9-inch piece of flexible craft wire, and your hot glue and sewing kit. Print and cut your paper template. Pin it right onto the felt, matching the elf's outfit color, and cut it out precisely. This is our new sleeve cover. Now for the structural support. Run a bead of hot glue right along that dotted line on the felt. Carefully lay your 9-inch wire exactly on the glue line. Press firmly and let it set completely. Place the wire-reinforced felt, wire side down, over the elf's arm. Pull the edges together underneath the arm and secure them with a tight whip stitch or ladder stitch. Sew from the armpit down to the wrist. Done! The modification is complete. Your elf is now fully posable, super soft, and ready for a whole new level of Christmas mischief. You can download this template in my Magic Facebook group. All links are below.